All right, guys, I'm going to do a walk around of the slab that I had poured on Friday. This is going to be a 24 by 35 enclosed steel building and a 12 by 35 lean-to. Slab was supposed to be 4 inches thick. They put down gravel. There's the pile of topsoil that they took off. Not sure exactly what went wrong. Not really sure if this is going to be a problem later on or if this is just structural or if it's just aesthetic. But I've got cracks that formed, actually cracks that formed the same day that they poured it. And I'm just looking for some answers as to whether this is going to cause me a problem later or not. And these cracks go all the way across. Not sure if you can see that, but they go all the way across the slab. I think you can see it better from this angle. And there, that's where it tees off and goes all the way back over this side. And then over here near this door opening, there's another one. And again, they're all the way through the slab. And like I say, I'm not putting any blame on anyone. I'm just trying to figure out why it happened and if this is going to cause me a problem later on. If it's not going to cause an issue, if it's just a issue with the way it looks, what's going to be my best option on fixing this?